Welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to calculate the sum of numbers from every alternative cells in Microsoft Excel. Here in this example, I have the sales plan versus actual of different products for 6 months. In the N and O column I have to calculate the plan total and actual total. For this, I have to calculate the total from every alternative cells. Here in this particular example, this can be done with the SUMIF function as well, because the column header text is same. But, in every case, the column header might not be same. So, here I am going to show the different formula approach to do this. Let's start. First of all, we need to identify whether the cells to be added are in even column or in an odd column. Here, the sales plans are in the even columns, like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. The actual sales are in the odd columns, like 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. For even and odd case, there will be slight difference in the formula. Click here in this N5 cell. Press equals. Then type SUMPRODUCT function. Open a parentheses. In the array 1 parameter of SUMPRODUCT, combine the N function. Open parentheses. In the value parameter of N function, combine the mod function. Open parentheses. In the number parameter of mod function, combine the column function. Open parentheses. Now, in the reference of column function, select the number range of sales plan and actual. Close parentheses for column function. Give a comma. In the divisor parameter of mod function, put 2. Close parentheses for mod function. Now, type equals 0. Close parentheses for N function. Type comma. In array 2 parameter for SUMPRODUCT function, select the number range again. Close parentheses and press enter. Result is calculated 1535. This is the total of all sales plans. Use the fill handle to drag this formula down. Let's cross-check 1. Here in this cell, let me manually add all plan numbers for product D. Result is 1540. And the formula 2 returned the same result. Working perfectly. Now what will be the formula in case of odd columns? Everything will be same excluding the equals 0 part of the formula. So, write formula same way by skipping this equals 0. Here you see, totals for actual sales are calculated. Let's cross-check for product C. Both result are same. So, this is how we can use formula to calculate the sum of every alternative cells in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Request you to subscribe this channel for more tutorials in future. See you in next video tutorial.